1、2、1、2. Onyomi is Jin, Nin. Kunyomi is Hito, meaning man, person. For example, Hito, man, a person. Nihonjin is a Japanese person. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku. Onyomi is mei, myo. Kunyomi is na, meaning name. For example, namae, name. Ichi, ni, san, shi. Ichi, ni, san, shi. Onyomi is hou. Kunyomi is kata, meaning person. It is used to refer a person in a polite way. Kata is a person. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go. Onyomi is hon. Kunyomi is mon. Book, source. For example, Nihon, Japan. Hon, book. Yamamoto is a Japanese surname. Ichi, ni, san, shi. Ichi, ni, san, shi. Onyomi is nichi, jitsu. Kunyomi is hi, bi, ka, meaning day, sun. Nihon, Japan. Hi, the sun or a day. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi. Onyomi is ka. Kunyomi is nani or nan, meaning what. For example, nani, what. Nanin, how many people. Nanin, what year. Ichi, ni, san. Ichi, ni, san. Onyomi is kai, dai. Kunyomi is oki, meaning big, large, great. For example, oki, big. Daigaku, university. Otona, an adult. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi. Onyomi is gaku. Kunyomi is manabu, study. Gakusei, student. Gakko, school. Daigaku, university. Let's practice these kanjis. You can Pause the video if you need more time to remember. Namae, Nihon, Indojin, Daigaku, Nichiyobi, Oki, Manabu, Hon, Nan or Nani, Hito.